In the intense journey of medical training, every technique, surgery, and procedure learned by residents becomes a potential lifeline in the future. Their ability to recall these skills isn't just academic, it's a matter of life and death. Imagine a 2006 study where surgical residents, tasked with mastering the delicate art of suturing arteries, were split into two groups. They were given identical study materials. But here's the twist. One group applied a subtle shift in their study approach. Fast forward 1 month, and the results were staggering. The group that made that slight adjustment outperformed their counterparts in surgical proficiency. But what's the secret sauce behind their success? To uncover it, we must delve into the intricate dance of the human brain as it learns and stores information. Picture yourself trying to grasp the intricacies of the heart's anatomy. Initially, as you're introduced to this new concept, your brain's hippocampus kicks into action, temporarily encoding the information into clusters of neurons. But it doesn't stop there. As you delve deeper into the workings of the heart, those same neurons get reactivated, reinforcing the connections between them and solidifying the memory. It's a gradual process, culminating in the migration of knowledge from short-term to long-term storage in the neocortex. Yet, the magic doesn't happen in a vacuum. The transfer of information from short-term to long-term memory is a nuanced affair, occurring between study sessions and, crucially, during sleep. It's during these periods of rest that the brain's offline mode kicks in, diligently integrating the newly acquired knowledge with existing concepts. Think of it as a puzzle coming together, each piece of information seamlessly fitting into the broader picture of your understanding. And the beauty of this process lies in its adaptability. Every time you revisit the topic of heart anatomy, you're not just recalling information. You're actively reshaping and refining your understanding, constantly updating and strengthening the neural connections. So, what's the key takeaway here? The power of effective study techniques lies not only in their application, but also in their alignment with the intricate workings of the brain. Whether it's the strategic use of flashcards, the art of interleaving topics, or the wisdom of spaced repetition, these methods tap into the brain's innate ability to learn and retain information. They're not just study hacks, they're catalysts for unlocking the full potential of our cognitive prowess. And as medical residents navigate the maze of their training, armed with these insights, they embark on a journey where every surgical stitch and procedure becomes not just a memory, but a testament to the awe-inspiring capabilities of the human mind. Let's dive into the first gem of our study arsenal, the mighty flashcard. Picture this. You're not just passively flipping through pages, but actively engaging your brain in a dance of recall and recognition. It's like a mental workout, forcing you to retrieve information from the depths of your memory. While some may find solace in the familiarity of textbook rereads or the allure of neon-colored highlights, there's a catch. These methods can lull you into a false sense of mastery, leaving you stranded when the real test comes knocking. But fear not, for the humble flashcard is here to save the day. Now here's where the plot thickens. What if, amidst your fervent attempts at recall, you hit a mental roadblock? Don't panic. Making mistakes isn't just okay, it's actively encouraged. Why, you ask? Because in the grand symphony of learning, every misstep is a chance for growth. As you wrestle with the elusive answer, your brain is hard at work, activating a web of interconnected knowledge. And when the correct answer finally emerges from the fog of uncertainty, it's not just a victory, it's a triumph of synaptic connections, a testament to the brain's remarkable capacity for adaptation and growth. So, dear learner, embrace the flashcard with open arms. Let it be your trusty companion on the winding road to knowledge. For in the realm of learning, it's not just about what you know, it's about how you know it. And with each flip of the card, you're not just memorizing facts, you're forging pathways of understanding, sculpting your mind into a fortress of knowledge and wisdom. So go forth, brave learner, and conquer the realm of learning, one flashcard at a time. Now, let's dive into the second treasure trove of our study strategies, the art of interleaving. Picture this. Instead of a monotonous parade of flashcards on a single topic, you're whisked away on a whirlwind journey through a kaleidoscope of subjects. It's like stepping into a vibrant tapestry of knowledge, where each thread intertwines seamlessly with the next. Why, you ask, would we stray from the tried and tested path of focused study? Therein lies the brilliance of interleaving. By mixing and mingling concepts in a single session, you're not just scratching the surface, you're delving deep into the heart of understanding. It's a symphony of synaptic connections, a dance of neural pathways, as your brain leaps from one topic to the next, forging new connections and solidifying old ones. But wait, there's more. Interleaving isn't just about keeping things interesting, it's about turbocharging your memory. Picture this. As you navigate through a maze of diverse subjects, your brain is forced to constantly switch gears, to flex its cognitive muscles in ways you never thought possible. And in this glorious chaos, something magical happens. With each twist and turn, your memory is not just strengthened, it's supercharged, fortified against the ravages of forgetfulness. So, dear learner, embrace the chaos of interleaving. Let it be your guiding light in the murky waters of study. For in the labyrinth of learning, it's not just about mastering one topic. It's about weaving a tapestry of understanding that spans the breadth of human knowledge. So grab your flashcards, mix them up like a mad scientist, and prepare to embark on an epic journey of discovery. The world of learning awaits, and with interleaving as your trusty companion, there's no limit to what you can achieve. And now, my dear friend, as we bask in the glow of newfound wisdom, let us turn our gaze to the final frontier, the art of timing. Now, let's embark on the final leg of our journey into the labyrinth of effective studying, the art of spacing. Picture this. Instead of cramming all your knowledge into one frenzied night of frantic revision, you spread it out like a sumptuous feast across multiple days. It's like tending to a garden, nurturing your growing knowledge with gentle care and attention. But why, you ask, should we resist the temptation of last-minute cramming? Therein lies the beauty of spacing. As you allow your brain to marinate in the rich tapestry of information, something magical happens. While you slumber peacefully, your brain is anything but idle. It's a bustling marketplace of neural activity as synapses fire and connections form, weaving the threads of knowledge into the intricate fabric of memory. And here's the kicker. While cramming may seem like a shortcut to success, it's a fleeting victory at best. Sure, the material may be fresh in your mind come exam day, but like a shooting star, its brilliance is fleeting. In contrast, by spacing out your review sessions, you're not just memorizing for the moment, you're laying the groundwork for long-term retention. It's a marathon, not a sprint, and the tortoise of spaced repetition always wins the race. Now, let's rewind the clock and revisit our intrepid medical residents. Both groups dedicated the same amount of time to mastering their surgical skills. But here's the twist. One group crammed it all into a single day, while the other spread it out over a luxurious 4-week period. And the results? Well, let's just say, the proof is in the pudding. The group that embraced the art of spacing emerged victorious, their skills honed to a razor-sharp edge, ready to tackle any surgical challenge that came their way. So, my fellow traveler on the road to knowledge, take heed. The power of spacing lies not just in its simplicity, but in its profound impact on the way we learn. It's a testament to the incredible adaptability of the human brain, a marvel of evolution finely tuned to absorb and retain the vast ocean of information that surrounds us. And as we bid farewell to our journey through the realm of effective studying, let us remember this. Whether it's testing ourselves with flashcards, interleaving topics with wild abandon, or spacing our review sessions like a master conductor orchestrating a symphony, the key to success lies not in the destination, but in the journey itself. So go forth, my friends, and may your quest for knowledge be as fruitful as it is enlightening. Moreover, since YouTube's algorithm tends to promote videos with higher engagement, if you found this video helpful, Kindly give it a thumbs up to support its visibility among a wider audience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for timely updates whenever fresh content is uploaded.